The Indian Constitution, a monumental document with 448 articles, 12 schedules, and countless concepts that form the backbone of our democracy. Sounds overwhelming, right? Don't worry. Today, I'll break it all down and share some clever tricks to help you remember the key details easily. Let's dive in. First up, how many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? The original document had 395 articles in 22 parts. However, after amendments, this number has grown to 448 articles in 25 parts. A quick mnemonic to remember this: 448 sounds like "for four greatness," a tribute to the comprehensive nature of our Constitution. Now, who wrote the Indian Constitution? The credit goes to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, who played a pivotal role in shaping it. But remember, it was a collective effort involving many brilliant minds from the Constituent Assembly. So, think of Ambedkar as the captain of the team when it comes to drafting our Constitution. Let's tackle the 12 schedules. An easy way to remember them is the mnemonic. Tears of Old PM. T stands for Territories Schedule 1. E stands for Emoluments Schedule 2. A stands for Allocation of Seats Schedule 3. R stands for Relationship between States and UTs Schedule 4. S stands for Scheduled Areas Schedule 5. O stands for Other Scheduled Areas Schedule 6. F Federal Institutions Schedule 7. O stands for Official Languages Schedule 8. L stands for Land Reforms Schedule 9. D stands for Defections Schedule 10. P stands for Panchayati Raj Schedule 11. M stands for Municipalities Schedule 12. Got it? Remember, the PM's tiers cover everything important. The Indian Constitution is inspired by many countries. Think of it as a legal buffet. For example, UK, Parliamentary System. Ireland, Directive Principles of State Policy. Canada, Federal Structure. USA, Fundamental Rights and Judicial Review. To memorize this, imagine Dr. Ambedkar traveling the world and picking these elements like souvenirs. Here's a simple trick for fundamental rights. Use your hand. Thumb, right to equality. Index, right to freedom. Middle, right against exploitation. Ring, right to freedom of religion. Little finger, cultural and educational rights. Palm, right to constitutional remedies. To remember the 25 parts, use visual association. Picture the Constitution as a Lego tower where each block represents a part. For example, Part 3 is Fundamental Rights. Visualize it as a golden block since rights are precious. Build your tower part by part in your mind. Memorizing the Constitution may seem daunting, but here are some tips. Break it into parts. Focus on one part at a time. Use mnemonics. For example, to remember the preamble, create a story using the keywords like justice, liberty, and equality. Picture this. In a courtroom, a judge named Justice hands out a dove symbolizing liberty to a group of diverse citizens who are united under a banner of equality. This simple story ties the keywords together in a vivid, memorable way. Practice quizzes. Repetition is key. The Indian Constitution is a masterpiece, and with these tricks, you can remember it with ease. If you found this helpful, give us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Law in Motion for more such content. Until next time, keep learning and stay informed.